Lowly servant. This is what the Blessed Virgin Mary called herself in the events in which God had blessed her to bear with Jesus. To be specific, the events of the Annunciation and the Visitation. And despite Mary being blessed and given to grace of God, the Most High, she chose to remain and be known as a lowly servant and the handmaid of the Lord. In our church, the Catholic Church, we are taught that Mary is truly holy, for she embodied humility, and the Blessed Virgin Mary placed her trust in God and accepted that she would be part of the plans of salvation of God, and by being God's servant and a handmaid. And she knows just how deep her devotion and love for God. In the Assumption, Mary is lifted up by the power of God. And I remember that one saying that angels can fly not because of their wings, but because they carry not burden. They choose to let go all of the heavy things. Di po sila yung nagdadala ng mabibigat na pakiramdam. And my dear brothers and sisters, we should remember this. We should not carry too much burdens in our life, especially if you love God like Mama Mary. Instead, we should lift them up. Lift them up to God. Loosen ourselves from the time to time and try not to think too much about it. If we are too inclined to our burdens, we're only get buried. So my dear friends, let us remember to trust God and pray that through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary, He may lift up our prayers to Him. Amen. This is Bishop Matthew Pau, wishing you all the happy solemnity of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary. Go and spend your time today. Go to Mass in real life with your families and friends.